Hey guys, this is Monami Frost, and today I wanted to film a little kind of unboxing, showing you, talking about a product for these latest KVD beauty products. And yeah, before I get into it, I wanted to mention that I just really wanted to film this video, and I'm now filming with natural light because the idea of just setting up the lights and just really gave me a bunch of anxiety, and I didn't want to go on camera with anxiety and worrying about that. I wanted to make a video because I want to make it, and I really wanted to, and I wanted to come with positive energy on here. And yeah, like just the idea of setting up all the room and all the pretty lights, and just to make sure and try and make the video really high quality and stuff just gave me such anxiety, because I just had like hectic few weeks and just so much going on that I just haven't had the time to take a deep breath. But now I really do want to film videos. I really do really wanted to film this video. And yeah, so I thought, what the hell? I should just do it, and do it, I don't know, just simple, without lights, with natural lighting, whatever. It's gonna change and go darker and lighter, but it doesn't matter, like, as long as I am here and doing what I like. And I have no makeup as well. I was kind of thinking, oh, I should put makeup on, and then I should like start opening and be like all fancy, but no, that's me. I'm true to you. I do that still sometimes when I have time, and then when I have like kind of a little bit relaxed and I'm really excited. But if the thought of it gives me like some sort of anxiety, I'll just rather be this on camera with you. So here I am. Anyway, so you probably know what this is. This is the KVD's brow box. I already opened it, obviously, but I wanted to show this epicness on camera, obviously, because it looks so freaking amazing. So here we have the brow thing, what's it called, to each their own brow. This is amazing. I have been waiting for this to launch forever, because as you know, I was using the Anastasia Beverly Hills the Dip Brow, but I was waiting for Kat to launch something for the brows, because I just love Kat's products, and I'd rather support a company that is 100% vegan and tries to do everything and share veganism, obviously. But it's still cool that like Anastasia has a vegan brow pomade, which is really cool. But I really love Kat and Kat's products, so I wanted to support it. And how amazing is that they have different colors? Like, I don't think I've ever seen anybody do like other colored, like crazy bright colors for a brow pomade, and that makes me want to do crazy colorful brows. And you know how I like to coordinate my colors, color coordinate things, so I will definitely be trying this out. Obviously, they don't have only pomades, they also have pencils and powders, and obviously brushes, which is so exciting. I absolutely love it. This packaging is amazing. Look at that. Isn't that freaking epic? What? This is beautiful. And look at that. It is actually personalized to me. Whoa! Like always. Clumsy me. So look at this beauty. First, what we have here is the brushes. I already had like opened them and started using them, but I put them back to make it pretty for you guys. And yeah, the brushes are amazing. Look at the brush. It is to create the strokes of eyebrows, the brow hairs. And the other one is just a regular angled brush. And here we have the pencils, and here are the powders. The packaging is amazing. I love the detail Kat puts into her products, and the packaging especially. And here are the pomades. I already tried it. Of course, I'm using the black one. These are the natural shades. So I'm using the black one, and it is amazing. It like stays on so well. If like my Anastasia one used to smudge whenever I did photo shoots, because I have to like take off like clothes over my head all the time, and I kept smudging my like ends of my eyebrows. But with this one, I tested it on one of my shoots and it didn't budge at all, which is amazing. And here are the crazy colors. Look at that yellow. Like, I think a lot of people kept like telling me and tagging me when they saw that yellow, that they were like, Monami, you have to try it, you have to do your look with it. Like, not that I am a crazy makeup artist, but everybody knows that I love yellow and black, the combination, and I'll definitely try to do a look. Let me know, guys, if you want to see a super color coordinated yellow look with yellow brows as well. I'm super excited about that. And here we have the white one, which we can mix together with any of these colors to create any of our shades, and obviously even with the natural shades to make it lighter, or just to experiment and do anything we want. And here are even more shades. Look at that green. It speaks to my heart. I love this shade of green. They're so hard to pick out. I love this shade of green. You know, I have this dress and I've done like, I think, something color coordinated to this. So this was the dip brow stuff. I mean, like, this was the brow stuff. The packaging is insane. It's so beautiful. I'm so happy about this. And as you probably saw on one of my previous videos, I got invited, and I was really honored that I was invited again to another Kat Von D beauty party. This time it was the 10-year anniversary, a golden party to celebrate 10 years of Kat Von D and cruelty-free beauty, which was amazing. And the whole party was super glamorous. It was like all in gold, all dressed up in gold. And yeah, it was amazing. Like, I absolutely loved it. I had to meet I got a chance to meet a bunch of my friends that I've met through Kat, and just a bunch of new people. And it's really amazing that there are so many people that do support this amazing brand, and I absolutely love it. And by the end of the party, we got to go home with this beauty. It got a little bit squished on my way over because I had to like stuck it in there in my suitcase, because I don't like bringing a lot of suitcases, and I just take one, and I had to like squish it in there, and it got squished a little bit, but it's okay. And look at this. We open it up and we have a little video that is the official 10-year anniversary campaign, which we had a chance to see for the first time ever in the party. And you can watch it on YouTube as well, with all of the 10 muses. Here are all the 10 muses of Kat that inspire her. It's amazing. The song of IMX is amazing. I absolutely love IMX. Me and my husband listened to it quite a lot, so it was amazing. Let's pause it. Anyway, guys, you should watch it, definitely. And here are all the 10 muses, like I said, and it's really inspiring. You can watch all the videos for the 10 muses on the Kat Von D Beauty channel if you would like to be inspired by all of these different and amazingly unique people. It's really truly incredible to hear their stories. So, and let's flip over this. What do we have here? And we have here the 10-year anniversary collection. I haven't opened this yet. I was waiting to show you guys. And that's like, it's like the size of me, size of my torso. Look, vegan makeup, exactly, made with love, not animals. How amazing is that? Props to Kat for speaking up about animals. I love it. So yeah, let's check out all of this. I really want to open it. Okay, how do I do this? It's so huge. I'll have to do that. So here we have the Eyeshadow Palette. It is amazing. It's like so heavy. Like not too heavy, but it's heavy. Wow. Look at this beauty. These colors are amazing, and they're like in the names of the 10 muses, and I think a couple more. It's amazing. Can't wait to try it. This is actually a really beautiful palette. And look at this art by Kat. It's incredible. It's incredible. Look at these beautiful brushes. They're amazing. Look at that gold. And look what we have here. Everlasting Glimmer Veil, of course, in freaking gold. It's hard to get out. So, Everlasting Glimmer Veil. It looks amazing. Wow. Wow, wow, wow. Can't wait to try it. And this beautiful Studded Kiss lipstick, of course. It's red, of course. It's so beautiful. Oh, and oh my god, this limited edition tattoo liner. It's like metallic. Oh my god. I so do not wanna use this up. I wanna keep it. I wanna keep it. And this is what I'm super excited about. The highlighter. The Metal Crush highlighter. It is so sparkly. Amazeballs. Right, guys, so this is it. This is called Gold School, which is really cool. It's like a little mirror. I'm super excited about. This is amazing.